Where the shotties at though?
Is that 2 quads? Do I see 2 quads?
Looks like it to me. I think they ride those things on the street though. Look at the tires.
Hey, what's good, you guys? How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great, and if not watching this video, will make things 10 times better, baby. We are back at it again with another video, man, and we back at it, man. I'm super excited to be back in front of the camera. It's been way too long. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, low-key, I've been kind of slacking on the work right now, but we have been like really busy with just a whole bunch of different things going on throughout the week, and I wasn't able to, you know, just settle down and bust out a YouTube video. That's what we're doing right now. So I decided today is gonna be the day that I'm gonna just, you know, focus on this. I couldn't have picked a better day to do it. Like, Gray and I right now, we got hit up late last night to actually be in a music video, bring out the bikes again. We are in another freaking music video. Like in the last one, dude, that one turned out pretty dope.
That was sick.
We're still waiting for the, you know, official video to drop, but we're in another one. And as you guys can see right in front of us, we actually got 2 quads loaded up on the back of a tow truck. We thought it was, you know, 2 bikes being impounded, but it turns out they were actually going to the same location that we're at. And we also got our bikes in the back. I got my 150, and once again, Gray is on his 450. 450.
Get it, that's right.
Yes, sir. So I mean, guys, like when I say I've been like super busy about what's been going on, we've had different things going on throughout the week. Let's see, you were about to overheat and blow up your 450. Indeed, right?
Yep. Yep.
We also went to go ride at Aoya Pass for Vert Moto Shred Weekend. Alright.
I mean, the track was sick, but it was like hard to film and stuff, obviously.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I mean, we still had a blast. We had a dope time out there, and you were also, you know, training some little kids. You were training some little kids on 50s and 65s.
Yeah.
I mean, today's setup looks pretty dope. Hopefully we got more people showing up on bikes, more people on quads. This music video is really going to be like some country. He said, stop.
Should we turn around and go park there?
We're trying to figure out the whole parking situation right now, man.
What'd you say?
So yeah.
Sneak in the VIP, baby.
Yeah, we get VIP access.
VIP access, show them.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
It's right on the wrist.
That's right.
For real. We also got Alex. I don't know where he is.
I'll tell you where he is. He had to go get Starbucks.
Oh, that's where he is.
Yup.
Today finna be lit. We in a country music video. I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm not exactly wearing what I wanted to be wearing. I was hoping more for like the boots, cowboy hat, the flannel, but it is what it is. We're just gonna have a dope day, man. Got it. Go this way a little bit. Wait. You got a strap, Put it in gear. I'm telling you.
No.
Put the in gear. It's gonna help you. All right. Y'all hear it, right?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah, you're right. There's something new every day. The property like,
Oh man.
Man, you put me on that thing. I do that all day too.
Go ahead, touch it, bro. Let it nibble on your finger.
Yeah, for real.
All right, great. You gotta be quick. Jump over the fence. No. You gonna get on the back like that?
I'm not getting on this shit like you really.
Alright, I've had it done. Huh? That's what you gotta do. You gotta go over the bars like he did.
Hell no.
Hey, sit down and do it.
What?
Sit down and do it.
What?
Sit down and do it. Get it like way back like this.
You guys go sit on the grill of the truck and dinner. Here, I have you up here, because you a little bit shorter and look more natural for you here.
What'd you say your name was?
Ashley.
Ashley on the tractor. And what's your name?
Slim.
Slim on the tractor as well.
You're on the tractor, baby.
Country style today.
Yeah, baby.
I'm sorry about the GoPro angle, but that's all I got right now. Y'all finna be on my wrist for the day.
Psych!
We definitely f***ing up the grass.
Hey, there's some cow crap or horse crap.
I know I slipped in it.
No.
My front tire hit and it just said,
I think I saw him get on the gas. It might be his tire.
I'll see y'all later.
Two white gold, keep it lace, gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Like I'm every jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 Prada bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's it, cause you know YV gotta get that.